Alright guys, I'm just waiting for the stream to get live. Alright. Yep, I think we're live. Are we live? Alright guys, we're live. Welcome to Cyberdream Developers. Today we're going to be continuing our fitness and exercise affiliate website. And we're going to complete the homepage, guys. So we have been working on the homepage for a while. And we're almost done actually. This isn't going to be one of those very in-depth tutorials because a lot of it is just dummy information to just fill in. And dummy is a strong word. Maybe I'll use demo, demo information. So I'm your host for today. I'm James Roberts. I own Cyberdream Developers. Cyberdream Developers is a company that helps businesses connect with their clients and customers online. So that might involve website development, as we're doing right now. It might involve running Facebook ads, but it's going to always involve some form of strategy. So we're going to look into your business. We're going to see what is working, what isn't working, where we need to be and where we are. And we're going to map out a strategy. We're going to give you something that is structural, metrics and everything that we're going to use to get you your customers, to get you your clients. We're going to help you to build a relationship with them and a relationship that lasts. All right. So what we're doing here today is we are working on our fitness and affiliate website. And as we work on this website, we're going to be dropping nuggets of gold in terms of marketing and conversion and how to get more clients and get more customers and everything like that. And it's important to note that once this website is finished, there's going to be a link in the description where you can download the website. So you don't have to follow the steps step by step. You can just go ahead and download the website. But if you watch a tutorial, it will teach you how to edit anywhere on the website. All right. So with that out of the way, let's get started. We have been working on the website from before. We're going to be finishing the homepage. This is what we have for the homepage so far. All right. And this doesn't look too bad, right? I like this section. I like that. And we were working on this section previously, but I ran out of time. And because of that, I had to leave. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this section. Now remember, the section that we're trying to get it to look like is at expressivetees.com. Now this is a website that I own. I actually own this business where we sell these amazing shirts and the like. Not self-promoting. And I was saying that in order to build a relationship, it's important that we collect or we get your visitor's email address. Because in so doing, we're going to be able to speak to them, build a relationship with them, and eventually make the sale. All right. So on this website, we're making this section. And there's supposed to be an image right here, but I need to empty the cache. Not the cache right here, but the cache on the CDN. And then the image is going to appear. So what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be working on this section of our website. I want it to look like this section of our website. All right, and right off the bat, I can tell what the error is. Let me see if it works in incognito. Let's see if it works in incognito. Because what you realize happened is that I want you to see the picture at the side right here. All right, we don't need to see OBS and all of those. All right, let's go. I don't think it's updated though. And it is updated. All right, so here's what's happening. All right, let me just close these. I need to fix this. Okay, so here's what's happening. You come to the website, we give you 10% off, and this heading should be changed. It should be 10% off, never miss a discount. All right, so you get 10% off in exchange for your email address. And we're rebuilding this section. And we're rebuilding it. Let me get these out of the way. We're rebuilding it right here. No, not here, but here. All right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to move this. We're going to add it here. We're going to move this. We're going to add it here. We could remove the subscribe heading from the form, but I'll just go ahead and show you something. All right. So let's just open Elementor. All right. So I'm just open Elementor and then you'll get an understanding of how to remove that subscribe heading that you see right there. and I'm just waiting for Elementor to come up. Alright, so here's Elementor, and here's our section. Now if you look at this form, you're going to see subscribe in the form. And if you look at Expressive Tees, let me just bring up Expressive Tees. If you look at Expressive Tees, the subscribe isn't there at all. And we have these birthday fields, but that's because whenever you subscribe, we send you a birthday gift. Alright, so good for you guys. So whenever we work on the form, it's not so much that we coded this form. We took this code from MailChimp, and I could go to MailChimp. I'm thinking I'll show you how to set up MailChimp and integrate it into your WordPress website. All right, so in the future we'll get to that. What we're looking at right now is that we have this right here, and we can't particularly edit this, right? We could go ahead and try to remove it by editing the HTML code, but it's so much easier using MailChimp. The only thing that you need to do is just there's going to be an option in MailChimp that says whenever you're sharing the code, you remove the title, and you just select that, and it will go away. And this is an actual sign-up form for one of my other websites. So whenever you get the website, when you download this, it's not going to be there. But the form, the actual container for the form, is going to be there. So we know that the thing that we need to do right now is we need to get the heading over here. We won't use a divider, and we'll use the text area. All right, so let's just move this heading to the top of the form, and let's move the text beneath it. And with that happening, we don't need the spacer that was there. All right, so that's that. Now I should have put the spacer over here, but that's fine. I'll do this a little bit differently, so I'll remove that. I will add a spacer. Having added the spacer, I will add a background image. All right, so I'm going to add a background image. Let's see what we have happening here. All right, sure. Let's just use one of the products. So I was making products for our website here, right? And I use these products from Expressive Tees because, well, they're already there. And the idea is that for this website, it's an affiliate website, and so the items that we sell here, we don't stock them. So when you come to this website and you buy the item, there are affiliate links that goes back to Expressive Tees. And we would say Expressive Tees is a supplier. So let's say you're an affiliate for Gymshark or Nike or Puma. What happens is that you add their products, you add the affiliate link, as we explained in episode 4, I believe it was, and you can have the items on your website when you don't have to stock them. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and add this, and I'm going to go center, and I'm going to go cover. All right, that's beautiful. Let me see how contain looks. I don't think that will work. It's going to repeat. So we say cover. All right, and let's see now. Okay, so that doesn't look too bad. Now the idea here is that I'm using the it's a sweatpants, right? Or it's a jogger. I think it's a jogger, guys. I'm using a picture of these joggers, but the idea is that we're offering a book that gives you 5 awesome diet tips. And the reason why I'm using a picture of a jogger is because I haven't prepared an actual picture of a book that isn't real. I could go ahead, but I'm trying to get this tutorial done, guys. All right. And the idea that we're looking at is that having given them this information, 5 awesome diet tips, and it's going to be a book, it's going to have information that's going to be valuable for them to get results in their workout. They will give you their email address, all right? And having given you their email address, they subscribe, you receive their email address, they get a link to download the book. Now that you have their email address, you can continue emailing them, building a relationship with them, and eventually convert them in some way. And we have to remember where this business is coming from, all right? The business is coming from a place where we owned the gym. Having owned the gym, we needed more signups, we needed more users, more clients. And what we've done is we went ahead, created 3 blog posts about getting better results at the gym. The blog posts took off. The gym is doing well. Now we have 3 locations. We've monetized our traffic to the blog by doing affiliate marketing. And that is what this website is all about. All right, so it's about the business having grown it this far. So now that we have this out of the way, let me just go ahead and copy this style. I'm going to paste that here and do some changes afterward. All right, so we don't need center, I need left aligned. I could use that. Now I'm also going to be doing a bit of work on the line height. All right. and I'm going to do some on the line space to 0.9, and I'm going to reduce the size. All right. Now, I don't like the space at the bottom, so I'll just go ahead and remove that, but a bit of margin at the top wouldn't hurt, correct? Now, we have something here that seems to be working, all right? And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to change the background to have it look like this section. Now, if you look at this section, all right, if you look at this section right now, it doesn't look so good, but we've already worked on this section. So I'm just going to go ahead and edit this section, and I need the background color. All right, so this is the background color. I'm going to copy. It might be in my saved colors. All right, I'm going to change the background color for this section, but first, actually, let me change the color first, and then you'll see what's happening. So let's go ahead. It's F1, F1, F1. It's right here. All right. Now, let's see what is happening. That's that. Now, let's add some padding, and that's space on the inside. All right. So on the bottom, I want 60. On the top, I want 50. On the left and the right, I want 20 each. All right. Now that I have this out of the way, I can see that this isn't a PNG. All right. So if this was a PNG, it would have been transparent in the background, and that's what I was looking for. So let me see if I can change this image to something that's transparent. I don't think I have something that's transparent though. I don't think so. So let me just go ahead and try this, and it's still white. So I'm just going to go ahead and start up Photoshop, and I'm going to turn, no, it doesn't make sense, guys. It doesn't make sense because I'll have to find back this image, which isn't saved to the drive, is it? It's not. So let me just close this. Let me just close that. And it's not closed, is it? Let me wait a second. And it's open, actually. So let me see. Images. And that's the redesign tutorial that we're doing. Product pics. Yes, there are. Oh, okay. Okay, so unisex joggers. All right, so we do have images. All right, so let me just go ahead and open that. Now we're going to be removing the background. I'm not a Photoshop expert, guys. We've gone through this before. So let me just get in. Let me just get the actual eraser. Is this it? Background eraser, magic eraser, and that's that. I can do this much, guys, but not much more than that. Unisex joggers, I'm just going to put it in my downloads folder so it's easier to find. And I'm going to put 1 or something on the end. I don't know what that is. I didn't read it. I'm just going to go ahead and assume that it's okay. Don't close, don't close. Now I'm going to change the background to what we just worked on. All right. Go back to downloads. And it's a PSD file. Oh, darn it. I don't think that's going to work, is it? It is not going to work because of a boneheaded mistake. Okay, so while we work on this, let's see what's next. This looks good. This looks good. This looks good. All right, now I'm thinking, let's just work on this again, guys. So is this it? Yeah, this is it. And I just need to save as is what I need to do. Actually, whenever you're saving in images in Photoshop, go to export, or you might see the option down here in CS5 and so on, or go to export as and go to save for web. That's what you want. And that will make the image a lot smaller so your website load faster. That's like an image optimization trick right there. So let me just go back to downloads again. Okay. And let me ensure that it's actually done properly this time. All right. So edit column, that. and upload a file. Select a file, and yes, it looks like it's done properly, so I can go ahead and close this. Nope. All right, that's there. That is there, and that is nasty. All right. So now let me do an overlay. Actually, let me do the overlay being the image, and that's center, cover, and opacity 1. Now let's go back to the background, change it to white, and it's not going where we want it to go. So this isn't working out so much. Alright, and that's just because we didn't save this as a PNG initially when we were downloading it. So we'll have to get rid of all those things. So I'm just going to go ahead and get a picture of a book. And this is what web development is like at times. It can be much more like a headache because you have to find a perfect image at times. So I need something that's vertical. Vertical. I could use this, but it doesn't fit what I'm doing right now. Let's see the orientation, vertical. Okay. Now I'm just going to use this image. It doesn't fit. It's like a terrible solution. It's a terrible choice. But I don't have a choice right now, guys. All right. And I just need to remove this overlay. This looks creepy. Okay, so now that we remove the overlay, we're going to say that this is a picture or a mock-up of the actual book. All right, that's what it's supposed to be. So in an official business, that's what it would be. And I'm going to add some space in terms of padding to the left. I'm going to add 30 actually. All right, so I have 30 there, and I have 20 on the right, just because, and we're good. So the idea here is that this looks terrible, but it's functional because this is what it looks like, but this is what it would actually look like. All right, guys, it would actually work because on this website, this item is being sold. All right, and I could remove this background if there's a way to remove it safely, and have a transparent background. All right, and this is what we're replicating. Now, I don't have much of a fancy background because I could add a background image, but I'm just going to keep it simple because remember, the objective of this website isn't so much to entertain or to convert in the terms of having someone call or anything like that. It's just to direct them to the products, the affiliate products, via the blog posts. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save this and I'm going to preview change because all these things, it's nasty, right? So I'm going to preview changes. All right. So now that we've previewed changes, this is what it looks like. All right. And we have all of these. So what I'm thinking of doing now, guys, I am thinking of moving this section from here and adding it here. All right. Now, once you add it here, this is gonna be proof, social proof for your website, which will boost conversions here. All right. So let's just go ahead and do that right now. Proof of social proof, and if that's that color, then that means I could go back to white for this section. All right, now that I'm already white, now I have this section here. So here's what's gonna happen now. I don't need this section with these services. The reason is because we don't offer services like that. It's a gym, and of course we have personal trainers, but that's not what a website is about, right? It's a fitness and affiliate website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import products right here. All right, I'm going to put some products right here in a carousel. I don't think I can put it in a carousel. All right, so let me just go ahead and save, and this should be this section right here. So it's not showing properly, but we have a way to get what we want to happen, right? So now I'm going to remove this and add products. Just go ahead and delete that. We're going to go and add. I am going to use an Astra block. Actually, I can use an Astra section. So let me see now. Brand store. This is e-commerce. So there should be some shortcode here. All right. Let me show you what it is that we're doing, guys. So if you go to Expressive Tees and you go to Expressive Tees Home, you're going to find this area right here. So we're adding some of the products. All right, we're adding products. Now we only have 3 products on our affiliate website, and that is perfectly fine. All right, because what we can do is we can just duplicate them, which I'm going to do right after I've added this section, and it will show up where we have like 10 different products. It's 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 products. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing. So let me just add this section. All right. And we are waiting for just a while. All right, now we don't need this hero section at all. And we don't, actually I'm going to leave this right here as featured in. All right, so this is going to be another area of social proof for us. So I'm just go ahead and move that all the way down. Area of social proof. All right, and this is going to be as featured in. All right, so that's that. Okay, let me just add a heading. All right, as featured in. Featured in, and I'm going to center, and it's featured in all of these, not real, but of course they're fictitious. All right, so I'm just going to copy. I am going to paste style, so I have the same font and everything going forward. I'm going to change the size, so let's see that. I'm going to remove, actually I think I could keep that space, right? Yes, I could keep that space. It's not ideal, so maybe I'll go with 20. All right, and now we have the featured products section. Featured products, columns equal 5, limit equal 10. All right, so we're going to have this featured products, and this is going to be not featured products, but it's going to be get ready for the gym with, and I'm going to add a page break. All right, these awesome gym gear. Professional. Let's play on their ego to think that they're professional exercisers and bodybuilders and all right. Get ready with these professional gym gear. Okay. Get ready with these professional gym gear. We're gonna actually I'm just gonna paste since I think I have enough right here. I'm gonna change the size now because this is a little bit small. All right, that looks good. I'm gonna add 20 to the bottom again, yet again. All right, now we have this product. It's not gonna be showing right now, but once we go over here where it shows view changes, preview changes, it's gonna come up, right? And we have this right here. We could use this for our actual download, but I'm not gonna use it. So that's just a bit of advice for you guys, a tip. You could use that section, and I don't need this as well, and I don't know what is there. Sorry. So let's go ahead and save this and see what we're working with. All right, and now let's see what we have. Okay. So we need some space right here. And I'm thinking I would add 80. I'm going to add 110 to the top. And I'm going to add 90 to the bottom. All right. And this is going to go again. All right. Now we scroll all the way down. All right. We scroll all the way down. And this gear is this professional gym gear. The WooCommerce section is not showing. We're going to work on it, guys. We're going to work on it. Actually, let's just go right now. Let's go incognito. All right. Paste and go. And as you see, this says .local. That's because I'm developing a local website. So this is being run from my actual computer. So this section is not working. So I'm going to have to look into that, guys. Now, it says projects. We don't need this section. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the project section, which is beneath get ready with these professional gym gear. We don't need that. Projects, we don't need that section as featured in. Now, right here, I'm going to add another section. It's going to be a services block. I'm just going to go to blocks. All right, services. Okay, and we're going to be using this one. Okay, so let's just do this right here. And that's imported. Now it says our services. And I'm just going to, well, I'm going to keep the lorem ipsum for the most part, but it's going to be get help. Actually, I'm not going to put any copy in it at all. So our services, but I will change the copy here. Muscle building. And this is going to be fitness and exercise. Okay. And this is going to be muscle building, fitness and exercise, and this is going to be weight loss and diets and dieting. So these are the three categories of things that we can help you with mainly, and we're featured here. And right here can be client testimonials. All right, so I'm going to add testimonials right here. I'm just going to add another block. All right, testimonials. All right, and this is how you can build your website quickly. I like this one because you can have a picture there, and those are video testimonials. Absolutely powerful. So I'm going to use the video testimonials at the top for now. Right now I'm going to use this testimonial section. All right. And it's going to say more clients that we've helped. I'm going to say more people we have helped. All right, and this is going to be our testimonial section. Now, after we have the testimonial section, I'm going all the way up to the top. I'm going to add a video testimonial to the top of the website. All right, video testimonial. So I'm going back to blocks, testimonial, video testimonial. All right, and this is going to be what greets our visitors to tell them the quality of service that we offer. So we're selling them on our service based on what others say about us. And in video, as with the gym and fitness, you're going to see the results, right? And it's going to see here, watch our transformation. Watch our body transformation at work. And I'm going to add a break right here. Remember, I explained the idea of a page break in the previous episode. All right, why am I saying lecture? All right, actually, I could just go ahead and copy and paste style, right? And then I could change the font color. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Let me just change the font color right now. All right, and I don't need this space under the bottom. And this section is not going to be black because black is not so much a color that I'm working with. And this purple is ugly, so let me just go with this white. And I go back to black because I didn't decide on the color that I was going with. All right, and this now is going to be a little darker. Okay. So this is our video testimonial. This is how you can get started. This is how many people we have helped. This is get your free book with 5 awesome diet tips. Actually, let's make it 15 awesome diet tips. No one wants just 5. Let's give them 15. Or actually, let's do 25. The more the merrier. 25 awesome diet tips. We go right here. You get our social. Get active with us. Join our social. And get ready with these professional gym gear. These are our services. These are an image gallery that we're going to need to add now. All right. So let's go back to blocks. Go to gallery. I'm hoping there's a gallery section. Is there? I do not know. It doesn't seem so. It doesn't look like there's a gallery section, but I can create one real quickly. What is this? Portfolio? Okay. Okay. Let's see what the portfolio. Oh, there we go. All right. So this is our. It's like the image. So because people are gonna get attracted with what they see, right? So this is going to be C. I need a good copy. We can help you too. We can transform you too. And this is going to be before and after photos. All right, guys, before and after photos of transformations that take place once you come to our gym. And this is going to be our home page. Now, the next episode, we're going to be working on this footer because this is terrible footer. I made it this way. Well, it came with the website, but I added these colors just to differentiate it from the actual website. All right, guys. Oh yes, I have not fixed this section with the products. So I don't know why this section is not working with our products. All right. So let me just see if I can find a widget. I should have something from WooCommerce. All right, so I have Woo Checkout, product grid. Okay, so let's add that. Okay, so the product grid works. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going back to the background and I'm going to duplicate these products to get 10 of them. Having duplicated them, I'm just going to work on the style right now. Content background, try that purple. Okay, that doesn't look so good. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. And we're going to keep on working on this. Color and typography. So the product price is black. Sale background. Sale badge background is that. Sale. So we're going to just work on these colors just a bit. Add to cart. Okay. So button color is white. Background is that. Buy product. That's that. Border type is solid. We'll go with 2. And let me add black outline. Alright. Use gradient background. No. Let's look at the products. Hover, solid, that, pop up. Price color. Blue. I wonder why. Although I don't think that green would show properly right here. Let's see the color for the star rating. Although we don't have any ratings here anyway. So, alright. So I'm just going to publish that. Now I'm going to go to the background or it's not the background, guys. I'm going to go to the user dashboard, the admin area. That's the best way to call it. I'm going to go to the admin dashboard. I'm just going to duplicate these products just a bit, just to have more than 2 products being displayed. All right, guys. Now, once we're done with that, we'll be finished with the home page. And you'll see what we have worked on. So you see, it's really easy to create a website rather quickly. It's just that I would have wanted to allow you guys to be able to see how to get edits and how to do your own design and everything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this 3 times. So just waiting. And I'm waiting. Okay. So again 1 and publish. and then we're going to go to main login 2. So go back to products. Come on, you can do it. And login 2. Nope. 2 and publish. And I'm going to go to products again. And just a minute. Now we're going to edit. Quick edit. And I'm going to update. I'm just going to add some random characters, because all I need right now is just space, something to hold the space and say, alright, we have stuff right here. Alright. Come on. Alright. So we got that. And then we're going to go, I'm just going to duplicate this 2 more times. Just to populate the area just a bit, guys. There isn't much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so I'm just going to edit this. Alright. Oh wait, I published it. I'm certain I published it. Alright. Now let's see what's happening. I need 8 based on what I've decided, guys. So that I need to duplicate this once more. And publish. Alright. And then now go to all products again. And let's see this right here. Quick edit and publish. Alright. Update. Okay, edit then. Publish. So even to duplicate it is taking a bit of time. And okay, so let's see how much we have right now. We should have about 8 products, right? How many products do we have? We have 7 products. So let's just duplicate this one more time. Okay. And we'll name this one 3. Or actually, we'll just give it a random character name. Okay. And publish. And let's just ensure everything is published. Alright, so that looks alright. So let's go to the website now, visit site and see the home page. Alright, so let's see what we have working with. This is that, or landing, or hero. You will see a bit of video testimonials of people we have helped. So right there and then, we're building trust. Alright, you get blog posts to help you with your fitness journey. Alright, then now you see the proof in the pudding, right? This is how many members we've helped, our awards and all these stuff. Alright, you can sign up. There's an actual book right here, not this ugly picture of a medieval library. No. There's an actual book right here. You can sign up. Alright, there are pictures of our social media. You can click on these and join us. Alright, and these are our products. Okay, so it's only showing 4. I should have shown 8, but let me just fix it quickly. Let me not get lazy on the work that I'm supposed to be doing right here, guys. Alright. And after we're done, that will be finished, basically. Alright, so we can continue. Can we? No. Let me just be patient and just add 2 rows of 4. Alright, 2 rows of 4. Oh, would you look at that? All right, so columns for I need 2 rows is what I want. It should tell me how many products I want to show. 8. There we go. All right, and maybe I can change the size. No, maybe not. Just stay as it is. Stay as it is. Why can't I say that? Wow. All right. So we're pretty much done with that right there. Just gonna go back to view page. All right, guys. I can do right here. All right. So this is what we're working with, and we got this far the last time. Social media, our products. Oh boy. Oh boy. Our products. All right. So we have our products, and these images will be showing better in the official website. All right. And these are our services. All right. Now we can transform you to, and as featured in, this is a bit more testimonials. Now, what we're going to have to work on is we're going to have to just work on this footer in the next episode, and we're going to remove this menu, and we're going to look a lot better than this. So thank you guys for joining with us in this episode. Subscribe for more WordPress tutorials and learn how to build websites and how to make money online with your business and how to get clients online. That is what we're doing here. And cheers. See you soon. All right.